Hello everyone, welcome back on our channel Innovative for Family. Today I am going to make the garlic bread. Usually it's very quick and easy recipe, so I am going to share that recipe with you. So whenever you're hungry or you want to have something from outside, you can try it at home very easily and try it out. It's nice and healthy. So here we go. Thank you. This is my pieces. I'll tell you on a once how to do, then you can do it. So like this squares we will cut. Wait now, then you can do it. Move your hand once please. Cut on a square. Cut like this. Yes. Self you can cut. Like this. We have to cut little. This is soft, no? So we have to put little pressure on it. See? Slice will come out. Yes. Now we have to turn it and again cut it. See? Nice square is coming. What we are going to make today, no? Do you know that? Huh? We are making garlic bread. What we are making today?
Garlic bread.
Sorry?
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread. Yes. Come again?
We are going to make a garlic bread.
Okay.
I will glue that.
Yeah, we have cut this shape. You can cut however you want. Anu likes the square, so I have cut this way roughly. So you can cut however you want. Now I have taken the 10 to 12, it's more than that, garlic slice, and we have just take out the skin. Now we are going to chop it together with the, yes, now we have to chop. What is this called, Anna?
Garlic seed.
It's a garlic. Move your hand, no? Open and see. Oh wow, nicely chopped, Anna. Good job. Anna?
Pepper.
Pepper. What are you going to with this?
I'm going to bang it.
Pound it.
Pound it.
Okay. This.
Butter.
I'm going to put the butter. Okay.
It's melting.
Yeah, it's getting melting. Now we can add very little. What is this, Anna? Salt. And we had, what did you pound it? What is this? Pepper.
Pepper.
We have
I will.
slowly.
I will put.
You can. Just for taste, it's optional. If you want to put, you can put. If you don't, then skip it. Don't do this. Don't put it. Now we have to mix this well. Wait, let it melt properly first. What is this, Anna? Garlic, which is chopped. Now you have to add in a butter. Okay? Slowly. Add it. Give me. I'll help you. Thank you. Move your hand, please. Now I'm going to add little more butter because we are going to make a garlic bread. So garlic bread needs more butter and garlic. Let it melt it. Then we're going to add the bread. I'm going to spread like this because we have to, it should go on all of them. Now I'm going to toss it a little bit and keep them aside. Then again I'm adding some more. Now Like that, we have to mix it well. See, butter and garlic should be properly, butter and garlic should be properly mixed, and we have to cook this till it's little brown. So, we are going to cook till it's golden brown like this. So it's almost ready. Now we are going to add the topping on it. Now I am going to add this cottage cheese on top of it. See, as a topping. You can add how much you want. I am adding little. The garnish like this. And then going to add the chili flakes. And oregano.